Now, hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Sofa, and today we're gonna have a little review on my American themed patches, some medals. Now, let's just start and not waste our time or your time in this case, and get to the interesting things. Here on the top, you can see I have several interesting CBI patches. So it's China, Burma, India. Most of them are theater made, and some of them also made of silk. Pretty interesting pieces. Two are coming in. One letter piece, complete made of leather, with stitched star and sun, and another piece is coming in with separate silver sun and silver star. So it's will fill in this collection. Here we have a World War II 1st Infantry Division patch, 69th Infantry Division patch. Now this is a post-war, the real wartime piece, which was actually worn by one of the members of the 69th Infantry Division, which was actually also the famous unit which linked up as the first American unit with the Soviets at the River Elbe, at the city or town Torgau. You probably all know this famous picture where an American soldier and a Russian soldier is shaking hands right on the top of the broken bridge, something like that. We have here also as well two original Mission to Moscow patches. Pretty amazing and unique story as well behind it. And these are originals. They're UV tested, including some of my good friends in the US, which are patch collectors. Identify them as original as well. Um, have here several American medals. For yeah, that's the cap badge. Unfortunately, I'm missing the little nut on it, and yeah, that's kind of like my little American collection. It's not large. It's not comparable of the size of American pieces, which you can see on the internet that they have like thousands of it. But I'm actually very proud of it, and there's like quite a lot of interesting history combined here. Now, probably I'm gonna have already some people who are gonna ask what that box is. These are the famous. Say it like this: I wanted to have my American pieces displayed in a real 100% made U.S. display, and these displays or cases are called Riker. The company is based in the United States. They produce them as well in the U.S., so it's not imported from China or anything. And yeah, they kind of have like different of variations and stuff like that, where you can just simply put a one patch in, a one metal, or just those large cases as well. Pretty interesting pieces as well, because they're held by pins. So if you, for example, take out those pins, I will show it right now. And on the back side, there's one here. So kind of see how they look like, those display cases. You take it up. So this piece is glass. So that's how they look like. Pretty interesting, and very nice displays, because you can display anything and it looks really awesome. You got this. You don't know how to call it. It's like kind of like a foam thing or something like that. And basically, if the glass is on the top, it's kind of like pressing it against it. So I just gonna give you a little close up on the patches. Here we go. Some of my beauties there. This set is not named, or I couldn't identify it, so it's well interesting. And I'm just gonna turn it around. Say these are the original patches, and I think some of them have even the markings on the backside. Yeah, here we go. So, pretty interesting pieces here. One of my favorite patches. And here's the first ID patch. Very nice as well. And yeah, that's kind of it. So if you want to store really like your gems, Of course, there's different variations of display boxes and so on, but I think one of the best ones for newbies, and not even newbies, is to go with the Riker boxes. I'm not doing commercial for them, but I'm just saying as a collector that these are pretty awesome pieces, and they look very nice. So your collection will look very uh, slick in those boxes. And you can also put in rings if you collect, like some people collect First World War, Second World War rings. Looks also pretty nice, but there are also different cases for them. Now, that's kind of it. I mean, like, it's not a large video, but still nice to see some American stuff, not only Soviet stuff, which I'm actually showing. And basically, I will show more Soviet stuff, but I like different variety. So American stuff is as well pretty awesome. And unfortunately, I'm not able to collect a lot of that stuff where I'm actually located at, because it's it's a little bit far away from the US, and there's less American stuff here. So I hope you kind of like this video. If you like it, put a thumb up. Just click on like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and it would be also awesome if you could leave some comments and so on. So I really appreciate that. So thank you very much. Have a nice one, and see you next time. Bye.